Hi, in front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this device. Start by accessing Settings and scrolling down. Now click on Security and Biometrics, scroll down again and tap on App Lock. Over here, pick one of the login methods for your apps and tap on the chosen one. Then enter it, click on Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it. And now you need to answer this security question over here. But you can also click on it, select one of those, or click on the question again and this time choose Custom Question. Create your own, choose OK, and remember to answer it below. Then tap on Next and click on Confirm. Over here you can choose Associate or Cancel. I don't want my face unlocked to work, so I will go with Cancel. And now I can click on Add Apps. Finally, you can select apps that you want to lock by clicking on these dots, circles, next to them. So I will go with Browser and maybe Facebook. To save your changes, click at the top right corner, and now when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!